Hey friends! In this video I am going to show you 7 amazing Android phone functions you had no idea existed. So let's get started. Number 1. Statistics and Secret Menu. The combination *##4636#**# has various purposes depending upon your device, such as your Wi-Fi, signal, battery and CPU usage statistics, along with other information. Each of these options have more variety of options, like in battery statistics you can see your battery health, level and even temperature. Number 2. Instant Factory Reset. Using the combination *##7780#**#, your phone removes all the Google accounts, installed applications, and all user data immediately. Don't forget that this combination is irreversible, so don't use it without a good reason. Number 3. Whole reinstallation. If you want your phone to get into its previous settings and become fresh again, then use the combination *2767**3855#. It will automatically remove all settings and data and reinstall the firmware again. So think twice before entering this combination into your Android phone. Number 4. Listen to yourself. This is one of the best features you can use it in your Android phone. Using the combination *##8351#**#, you can listen to your voice during last 20 phone calls. You can do it just for fun or to refresh something in your memory. Number 5. Quick turning off. You know that when you long press the power button, your Android phone pop-ups and shows multiple of power options. But to directly power off your phone, here is also another way that I want to share with you guys, but it's a little longer. Using combination *##7594#**#, it will directly power off your phone. Number 7. Hiding your phone number in outgoing call. This is one of the amazing combination #31# through which you can hide your mobile number when you are making a call to another person to whom you don't want to show your number. That's it. Comment below this video that which combination you find more useful, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more amazing video to be watch on this channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.